Ever wonder what sound really sounds like in space? In movies, explosions echo through the cosmos, but that's pure fiction. The truth? Space is a near-perfect vacuum, and that means sound can't travel at all. Sound needs a medium like air or water to move, and in space there's none. So if a star exploded nearby, you'd hear nothing. Absolute silence. But wait, there's more. Scientists can still hear the universe. They convert radio waves and electromagnetic signals into sound. It's not the sound of explosions, but it's fascinating. So next time you watch a sci-fi flick, remember, space is silent. Follow us for more mind-blowing space facts.